Hi friends, I'm going to create the one more React app or React project. In this project or app, I'm going to create the CRUD operations with the POST API. In this POST API, I'm going to develop using the Axios. I'm going to access this API using the Axios library. It is a third-party library. Instead of the in the previous projects, we have used the Fetch API. It is the built-in API present in the browser, but we are going to use the third-party library called Axios. In this, using this Axios, we are going to get the data, get the post, get the post, and send the post, and update the post, and delete the post. First, I am going to create the get all the post using the get method. Then send the post using the post method, and update the post using the put method, and delete the post using the delete method. These methods we are going to use in my application. If I am going to I'm going to show one demo app, or I already created the app using the React.js. I'm going to show that application. This is my application. In this one I'm going to develop freshly. In this application I have did the four things, like first thing is showing the all the data, showing the displaying the all the contents, like first is the get all the information, get the all the data, or you can call it as a post also, get all the post. This is the get all the post, and post the, or like send the one data. If you take, I'm going to take the uh, some lorem ipsum temporary temperature. This is the body. Post is lorem ipsum temperature in natural culture. If you want to add this, you can add. It will add it to the this list of the post. If you want to see, come down, scroll down the web application. You will see the 101 is the lorem ipsum temperature. Lorem ipsum temperature is natural culture. I have given some text. If you want to edit, like update operation, if you want to edit or update the information, you can click on this button. If you see in the post, this one, if you see this form, you have to see that some data is over in the boxes, and the button also change it to edit. If you click here and change it to automation 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 using React.js. Here also change some text. Automation using React Node.js. If you click on this, or if you click on this edit button, this text is going to the this second post, and if you see this Q East easy automation using the React.js, and here also change it. This is updated. If you want to if you want to perform the delete the post, see, if you click on this button delete, see this third post is deleted. This fourth post become fourth post become the third post. This is the operation we are going to perform. Inside this application, I have used the JSON placeholder one website, JSON placeholder.tpcode.com. This website I have used for the developing the API, for accessing the APIs of the get all posts and send the post, and this is the get all the post, send the post, and update the post, or you can use the patch also, but I have did the use the put, and delete the post. In the coming videos, after completing this front end part, I'm going to develop the Node.js also. I'm going to develop the Node.js and Express.js. Instead of accessing this JSON placeholder, I'm going to replace my APIs the front end APIs with instead of the JSON placeholder, I'm going to use my Node and Express.js API in the local project API, or you can if you deploy in the if you deploy in the any server or anywhere like Docker also, you can access that application APIs.